The
one that just came through right now.
Oh, still nothing.
Because we're all blocking it through.
So, put this one in the starter tester chingadera. See? Hallelujah.
How's it go? I think that's just too many questions.
I know, just do the damn job. Wow. So is that 2 duds?
Well, is it the machine or is it starters?
I think it's the starter.
It's gotta be the starters.
Same. Let's try that again.
Yeah,
right.
It's hot. It's hot?
It's hot. You know what? There's a new Ford starter over there on the shelf in a box. Let's just test that for S&Gs for fun. 3131. Look.
Oh.
Yeah, random on the shelf one.
That's weird that the other one had that like giant tit.
They interchange, but yeah, it is strange.
You're strange.
We know this.
Dr. Pepper is pretty good.
Hold on. One second. Get that the fuck out of there.
Oh, 25 damn questions.
It's gotta be the thing.
So I don't know, it triggers, and that's got power. This has power. Let's double check, make sure. Let's check the machine and check for if there's breakers or something in the machine.
I'm doing it.
Phone's away.
Damn, Mom. Anyway.
I will take that phone and I don't know what, shove up his.
Show it up my butt.
No, his.
I might like it.
So we tested the entire system on the machine to verify that it's not the machine acting up. We checked everything, and everything works.
That looks like a bad ground.
That's where they want you to ground it.
That's the ground on the car
That's
too.
the car's ground too.
That's what she said.
I mean,
That's the exact bolt hole.
okay. So if it doesn't work, it's obviously not the machine. Okay, let's go.
What the fuck?
It says AC's power is off, but everything's on.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the connector.
Damn.
Okay, Ford.
I popped the fucking wire off too when I did it.
But
I failed.
we made more progress, so you know.
Yeah, so it's not
Ford.
It's not our.
Okay, so you want to try the new starter then? Maybe it was a fluke thing?
Could be. Hang on. I'm gonna get this thing to stay put. I want to try to.
Yeah. I'll go back to school for that.
What? Oh yeah.
Ladies, let's stay on topic.
I don't know, you're still recording.
Well, we know it's not the machine, so.
Yeah. Definitely not the machine. We just tested the GM starter and it worked fine.
Fucking Ford.
It's a damn part number 3131, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Yeah, if it's popping the relay in the thing, you can hear it. Yeah. So every one of these Ford starters we get is POS.